In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Facebook Messenger accounts at one Android smartphone at once. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. First off, you need to head over to Settings. We can easily do so by typing up icon at one of our home screens. However, if you cannot find it for some reason, then just swipe down from the top of the screen and tap at that gear at the top right corner. That's how we can easily enter Settings. And now we need to scroll down all until you find Advanced Features. And here we are looking for the option Dual Messenger. On the next we can check all the applications that supports. At that feature, obviously, the Messenger app have to be installed on your device before getting to that page. And if it is installed, you will find Messenger option here. And now, guys, all we have to do is just turn on the toggle next button to it. Down below it says that you will be able to sign into another Messenger account in the second copy of the app. Now to continue, we need to add install. And once it is installed, it will appear right here at the top of this list. As you can see, already have WhatsApp and Messenger applications. Copy it into separate app. I'm gonna show you how it works. So, if we head over now to our apps library, that's where we can easily find that Messenger app icon. Did that mark with the @ sign? And this sign means that this app is the copy of Messenger app. The original app installed here, and here is the copy. And now we can, let's say, long press on it and then add to home. So that's how we get easily put another copy of Messenger app on our home screen. And then we can use it to sign into our another Facebook Messenger account. On the next step, you just need to enter your phone number. It shows me that page isn't available because of Facebook, and all made us products are blocked in my country. And we began is turned off. But here you will find that login page. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button